哦，
啊，不用不用不用了不用了不用了，包里都是的，我们包里都是的。不，你们，我不想免费拿，不，拿着吧，拿。The building behind me is the former site of the French customs in China. Over 100 years ago, Mengzi City became the first city in Yunnan province having an open port and was the economic center. So today let's going to explore this magic city with the population of only 600,000, but a history of over 2,000 years. The Yunnan First Post Office was also set up here. These are the formal buildings of the post office. This is how the passport looks like in the early years of the Republic of China. I'm very surprised because just across the street is the former site of the French consulate. And right next to it is the Central Lake. Oh, this building has already been changed as the post shop. It really feels like I'm in France. This must be the closest I've ever been to France. I don't even want to leave. I just want to stay here all day because the temperature, the vibe are so great. The average temperature here is like 20 Celsius degrees all year round. And these people are doing the preparations for a wedding. It might be expensive having a wedding here. And they're using the real flowers. I mean, who will be using the fake flowers in Yunnan province? I mean, this is the flower capital. Flower province. Mengzi, the city's name, is originated from the Yi language, meaning 山间盆地. It has surrounded by the mountains, and in the middle is a basin. It has no winter, no summer. It has spring all year round. But by noon, the temperature is a little bit hot, so I took off my jacket. I'm walking around this lake. Behind this lake, there is a very beautiful story. 100 years ago, a person studied hard in the middle of this lake, like this building, where it's located in the middle of the lake. And his wife brought him food every day, but when she delivered, the food was already cold. So later she discovered that the thick chicken fat covering the surface of the chicken soup could keep the soup warm for a long time. Hello, my husband. You ready to have rice noodles? And because that wife had to cross the bridge to deliver the food every day, which is the bridge under my feet. So this kind of food is called crossing bridge rice noodles. The soup and the noodles are separate. You can choose the ingredients you want. I put some green onions and peppers because I like spicy. I like spicy soup, spicy soup. So delicious. How to find the good restaurants where the local people love? You can go to these dilapidated communities, the buildings, the old alleys. You can always find the good restaurants that has already been running for over 10 years. Well, this is just for me. I came back to the hotel to package my luggage because I've been staying here for a few days, and if I want to stay here tomorrow, one more night, the price will be more expensive. So I booked another hotel. So I need to check out and check in another hotel. I booked a car about 5.5 yuan, 2.3 kilometers. It's quite cheap. Ooh, the door is opened. This is my room. Looks good. I only paid 74 yuan, about $10. I never expected the room would be looking like this. 2 chairs, a clean table, a TV. I'm satisfied. But look at the bathroom. It's the squat toilet, but never mind. When I'm walking on the street, I saw there are many pomegranate sites. So I checked online. This is the capital of the pomegranate. And the capital flower is also the pomegranate flower. So I'm going to the Xin'an, where there is a large area of the pomegranate orchard. 大哥，你这抽的是什么烟啊？
这个刀烟。
刀烟，这个是自己买的烟丝然后装进去的吗？哇，为什么要用这么大的一个桶来抽啊？
要这么高才好。
我看一下，哦，它这个烟从里面啊，里面有水。啊。这个水是装在哪里啊？最底下。哦。最底下是封堵的。哦。 I think that is better than the electric cigarette because it's the water inside can decompose the nicotine. And if you want to smoke by being healthy, you can choose this kind of cigarette. You see the pomegranate designs. That one also is the pomegranate. 大哥，这是刚采的石榴啊？
哦，刚才啊，
不用，这个多少钱一件？
多少钱一件啊？
这多少钱一件？
哦，谢谢大哥，
这多少钱一件？
吃好的话，来这个好，
是刚采的。
来，3块，这就是我们蒙自认真的甜石榴了，3块多1公斤
，3块多1公斤啊
，3块多1单斤。我们这石榴是2公斤。
Oh, they're so nice. They give me some big and sweet pomegranates, and you can see there are a lot of 3-wheeled electric cars. And their baskets are empty. I think they're ready to the pomegranate orchard to pick the pomegranate. 哥，不，我不。
不，
要的，
我就不给了。
要的，收着吧。
不要。
要的啊。那好吧，谢谢您啊，谢谢您啊，谢谢您。This is the pomegranate warehouse. Wow， 哇，好多啊！姐，你这收能收多少斤呢？
啊？
能收多少斤呢？
能收多少斤啊？
啊，
我们一天那是20吨嘛。
20吨一天？
是的。
哇塞，这是要发往全国各地的吗？
是的，前往各地都有。现在我们双里装起来了。在前些年这些你们都走不通啊。
全是卖石榴的，
全是买卖石榴的。
是的。哇，哦，现在没有那么多了。
现在为什么不行了呢？是收成不好了吗，还是什么？
收成好就价格不好嘛。价格不好，好多都砍，已经不种了。
啊，太多了，不用了。
来。
哦，我没手了，没，我看有没有个
那什么的，
放我包里吧，放我包里。
烧的也没几个，哇，烧的也很好吃啊。
装不下了，太感谢了，太感谢了。I think they give me too many pomegranates, and I don't want to take for free. 哦，老板。
那我们这里收石榴，我就帮他们代收嘛，不是
代收的。
哦，到时的老板来这里，我就跟他们收嘛。哦，是这样的。
明白。好，那阿姨，我们就再看看这个免费拿，确实是不好意思，我钱就放这了，我走了。走。这样不好意思。
他是送你们吃的，不要客气，不要，没事，我不要。
好吧。
不要。
谢谢您。In my city, I have to pay 5 yuan to 10 yuan to buy one, but here, they're free. They're so nice, so warm. And it's really sweet. Not sour at all. Look at this red pomegranate. They look delicious, right? So red, so delicious, but they are sour. Yes, they are sour. This place is quite far away from my hotel. When I was worried about not being able to get a taxi back, a nice lady invited me to take her car and visit her orchard. 好嘞，谢谢。See, their baskets are empty, all pomegranates are sold out. So I'm so lucky. I'm taking their car to their orchard to have a look. Look at that clouds. It feels so unreal. They don't even move. I'm so happy I like this car. I think it's better than driving the car. 你们今天收了几成呢？
啊，
你们今天去集市卖了几次啊？
不好那些那个。
第三次啊，这第三次。
第3次了哦。哇，还有好多呢！
卖完了。
我第一次见16叔。啊，不用了，不用了，我包里有好多了。
哎呀，那时候我吃不
好，谢谢谢谢。
今年的功率完成了。
今年任务完成了。那您这今年一共卖了多少吨呢？
哎，我不知道有多少吨，我只知道在3亩地还是卖了6万块。
6万块，哇！啊，姐不用了，姐不用了，我们包里都是的，我们包里都是的。那谢谢你啊，我装包里，我装包里。等一下。我今天这包里全是16。放我包里。
有收获，可以谢谢。
这些小的好吃，大的不好吃。我们自己吃的，我们都是吃小的。
It's the harvesting season, and I came here in the right season, in the right time, in October. It's time for them to collect the pomegranates and sell them.
打车吗？
对，我们在这边打车。
那你们就在这里打。
我们在这打车，姐，谢谢你们，我不想免费拿。不，拿着吧，拿。
这个你们吃的就是我们这个，你们
不，我不想免费，拿着吧。
不用。
那谢谢你们啊！
都宣传一点就好了。
行，
就好卖吗？
谢谢你们啊！
谢谢你们，谢谢大哥大姐。
谢谢大哥。
大哥大姐慢点，注意安全。
拜拜。
拜拜。
拜拜。Oh my God, they're so nice today. I'm trying to give them some cash, but I failed. They're so warm. These are all the pomegranates I got today. 26. It's crazy. 26.